Does your resume look like an ocean of bullets that recruiters need to wade through to confirm that you're actually qualified for the job to which you're applying? Kamara Toffolo here, resume writer, LinkedIn consultant, job search strategist, and LinkedIn top voice who helps established professionals dare to do work differently and land great fitting gigs. Today, I'm going to show you a recruiter-approved way to format each role in your work experience section so that your resume doesn't suffer from bullet barf and you don't make recruiters' eyes bleed. As we know, resume formatting is all about readability. Anything we add or change on our resume needs to consider the reader. Does this work for the reader, or does this make reading my resume difficult and getting important information difficult as well? So let me show you the structure that I use in the resumes I write to properly highlight each job seeker's different roles and experience. The first thing we include is our job title. I like to bold this. Then on the same line, I include the date range, also bolded. The date range is flush with the right-hand margin. For directions on how to align your dates with the right-hand margin, I break out this process exclusively in my video, How to Perfectly Align Your Dates on Your Resume, which I've linked in the description below. So why does this structure work? Just like you might be looking for must love iguanas before swiping right on that Tinder profile, when recruiters are doing their cursory scan of our resumes, they can quickly see how our previous role titles align with our target role or career direction and how many years experience we have in our previous roles. Underneath our title, we include our employer and our location. For location, if you worked remotely and want a new role also working remotely, make sure you indicate that you worked remote from wherever your home office is or was to wherever the office you reported into was located. For example, remote from Scranton, PA to New York. So why do we want to include our employer name after our job title? Because what we do matters more than where we did it in most cases. After all, not all of us have worked for the FANGs of the world. After we've listed our employer name and location, we will include a short paragraph that gives context to our duties and responsibilities in the role. We want to keep this very brief, about 3 or 4 lines to aid the reader in reading this quickly. We also want to refrain from copying and pasting our job descriptions. Make sure to write this in your own words. We're about to get into the bullets, but why we use a paragraph here is to give some variety to how the text on our resume is displayed so that we're not overwhelming the reader with endless bullets. Like a big juicy steak can be great, you still want the truffle mashed potatoes to mix things up, am I right? Now we get into the bullets. Bullets are reserved specifically for accomplishments and achievements. So the instances of our work where we did our best work and attained the most positive outcomes or results. There are many ways to talk about accomplishments. I get into this in more detail in my video, How to Write Resume Achievements with Examples, which I've linked in the description below. The bullets are truly the meat of your resume. It's where you highlight your grade A accomplishments in order to demonstrate how you're qualified for your target job. But we're highlighting only the best here, not everything. So I would encourage you to highlight 3 to 5 accomplishments. If you're finding it difficult to only share that many, then consider using a couple subcategories like this to split the bullets up and give the reader's eye a bit of a break. As you already know, we're listing each of our roles in reverse chronological order in our experience section. So continue using this format to write about your roles and you'll find that it shapes your experience section quite nicely, all while ensuring your resume is readable. As you know, I make a lot of videos, but I also make free guides to help you in your job search. If you'd like my free cover letter guide and checklist or my free post-interview thank you messages guide and templates, you can download them by signing up for them. The links are in the description below. And if you found this video helpful, please do give it a like. It helps me help more people. And if you'd like to see more of my face in your feed, click on my face right smack in the middle of your screen to subscribe. Thank you for watching, and I will see you next time.